we will discuss open syllables. This is the word taken. Say that with me. Taken. There are 2 syllables in taken. Watch and do this with me one more time. Taken. We can separate taken between the A and the K. Taken. When a syllable ends with a vowel, as we see here, the vowel sound is usually long. This is called an open syllable. So the vowel sound in the syllable TA is A, taken. We can separate those down here, taken. Let's try another. This word is robot. Say it with me, robot. One more time, robot. Where does the syllable separate? Robot. It separates between the O and the B. Here again, we see that this syllable ends with a vowel. Remember, when a syllable ends in a vowel, the vowel sound is usually long. So again, this is called an open syllable. Let's take a look at another word. This word is open. Let's do it together. Open. One more time. Open. Where does that separate? Between the O and the P. We have another open syllable because the syllable ends in a vowel. This vowel sound is usually long. We can hear an open. The O makes a long sound. Let's take a look over here. We're going to do one more like this. Again, we're listening to the word to separate it. Begin. Begin. One more time. Begin. Where do the syllables separate? Between the E and the G. I notice that this syllable ends with a vowel. When a vowel is the last sound in the syllable, it is usually long. Was this sound long? Begin. It was. It was a long sound. For this next one, we are going to separate it before we say it. So let's take a look here. I notice that there's a vowel here and a vowel here. Usually these are kept separate. Let's go ahead and we're going to put the line right there. Notice this has the long vowel sound because it's the vowel is at the end of the syllable. So let's give it a long E sound. Let's sound it out. Secret. Secret. What was the word? Secret. Yeah, let's go ahead and clap it. Secret. That makes sense. That is a word that we know. Let's take a look at this next one. Again, I notice there's a vowel here and there is a vowel here. Vowels are usually in separate syllables. So let's go ahead and we're going to separate these two right here. So I'm going to try separating it after the O. Noticing that this O is a long sound because it's the last syllable, the last sound in that syllable. Let's go ahead and sound it out. Frozen. Frozen. What was the word? frozen. Last one. Again, let's try separating it before separating the word into its syllables. So here we see an O and an E. Usually these are in separate syllables. Let's try it here. Because look, I see the word mom. This doesn't end with the long sound. So let's go ahead and try sounding out. Moment. Moment. Is that a word that we know? Moment? It's not, which makes me think we put this in the wrong spot. Let's go ahead and let's try putting it in right after the O this time. Well, when we do that, remember it's going to be a long O sound here. Let's try it this time. O, mo, ent, meant, moment. Moment. That is a word. Let's take a look at our sight words. We're going to go through each word, okay? What's the word that's highlighted? Find, yep. How about this one? Food. This word? More. And what's this word? Over. What's this one? Start. And finally, our last word is warm. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and say a color, and you need to tell me what word it is. What color is the red, or what color? What word is the red word? Start. Let's play it as I spy. I spy a blue word. Find. I spy a green word. More. I spy a pink word. Warm. I spy a yellow word. Over. I spy a red word. Start. I spy a purple word. Food.